I use Milwaukee power tools both at home and at work. I've got a lot of these M12 batteries. A friend of mine sent us a little drone through, a little card drone, to cut out some basically storage shelves for these, which is exactly what I'm going to do now. I've made this out of 2mm plate. I think possibly 1.5 would be better, or 1.2. Just what I happen to have lying about, just to see if it is gonna work all right. Make sure you bend these the right way. Easy to get it wrong. I had this for a long time. It was made by a friend of mine. Made a lot of car repair panels with it. It does the job. Bastard. Normally the little spring's missing out of the ratchet. It's actually an old mini handbrake lever that holds it shut. A little bit far on that one. Bring it back slightly. Better. And that one. I've got the other ones to bend. I'll just throw them in a vise. I'll cut a piece of metal and just tap them round. But it's certainly started to take shape. And the batteries fit in very nicely indeed. That gets fastened onto the wall. And they're kind of out of the way, ready to be used. I like to try and cycle them. I've got quite a few of these batteries. You don't use the same one all the time. Definitely thinner material on the next ones. Some little drill holes in there can be screwed straight on the wall. That's going to work out quite nicely. That I like it. Probably paint these Milwaukee red. And also do these with 5 holes in. Store 5 batteries instead of just the 3. If anybody wants any, all you've got to do is email us. That's my email address up there, and I'm sure I'll be able to sort something out. You can have them folded. You can have them flat packed, whatever you want. There's being slightly thinner material than this. I'm sure I'll agree with you, worked out very nicely. I've also got a drone to do a 5 run, which is about that long. If anybody wants any of these, all you've got to do is send us an email. That's my email across the screen there, and I'm sure we'll be able to sort something out. Once again, it's just time to say thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing. If you haven't already subscribed, please do. Anyway, thanks for watching.